Okay, in this segment we're going to cover installing the hoses on the radiator. We've got two cooling hoses, the bypass hose, and then the two transmission cooling lines. We'll start with the lower radiator hose, and we're just going to want to slide it over. Sometimes you put a little bit of Vaseline, just a slight little bit, just to lubricate the hose the slightest bit. It'll slide on real easy. Once we slide the hose on, we're going to need a pair of pliers. And I'm going to change my position to get a better angle. You want to squeeze that clamp together and then slide it down up over the radiator fitting. Okay, now we've got the lower one done, we'll move to the upper one. Following the same procedure, I just slide it over the fitting and then release the clamp and slide it forward. I'm going to twist it around so I got a better angle moving it to the other side and move my position. Now I've got better accessibility to move the clamp up into its proper location. There we go. Now we'll connect the radiator bypass hose. Slide it down at least a ½ inch over the fitting, and the small spring clamp, you want to depress it, slide it up over and into position. Now the two transmission cooler lines are held in with a 10 millimeter, so we want to loosen that up. This is the longer of the two hoses, so it goes to the far side of the vehicle. Now we can, oops, I want to get a little bit looser. Now we can remove that plug that we installed, the bolt, slide it over the fitting on the radiator, and tighten down the line. Just follow the same procedure on the other line, connect it to the radiator, tighten down both of the clamps, and we'll be ready for our next step, which will be installing the cooling fan.